Third sum, to identify singular or non-singular matrix. Singular means determinant of A should be 0. Non-singular means determinant of A is not equal to 0. That is negative value. You can get negative value or positive value, no problem. You should not get 0. Singular means determinant of A is equal to 0. They given the first subdivision. First subdivision is they given the matrix form 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. So let A is equal to this matrix format taking the determinant. You can say determinant of A is equal to, no problem, determinant of A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a determinant value. So plus minus plus 1 open the bracket minus 2 open the bracket minus plus 3 open the bracket minus. If we are going to take this one and this one, 5 9s are 45, 5 9s are 45, 8 6 are 48. Next for 2, this row and this column, 4 9s are 36, 7 6 are 42. Next to 3, this row and this column, 4 8s are 32, 7 5s are 35. So answer is going to be 1 minus 48 plus 45. Minus 48 plus 5, I will take 1 first. 1 minus 48 plus 5 is nothing but minus 3. This will be a minus 2. 36 minus 42 is nothing but minus 6 plus 3. 32 minus 35 is nothing but minus 3. So this become minus 3, minus into minus plus, 6 2s are 12, minus plus into minus minus, 3 3s are 9. So 3 plus this become minus 3, no, 1 into minus 3 minus 3, minus 3 minus 9 is minus 12. So 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore determinant of A equal to 0. Then we can say we will assume ELS of A. Therefore A is a singular matrix. A is a singular matrix. Next is second subdivision. I will choose let A is equal to, in spite of we can take B, C, D, no problem. I will take A itself. Let A is equal to, what is the matrix they are given here? 2, minus 3, 5, 6, 0, 4, 1, 5, minus 7. Therefore determinant of A is equal to determinant of 2, minus 3, 5, 6, 0, 4, 1, 5, minus 7. This will become plus, minus and plus. 2 open the bracket minus, minus into minus plus 3 open the bracket minus, plus 5 open the bracket minus 2, 0 into minus 7 is 0, 5 4s are 20, minus we taken 6 into minus 7 is minus 42, 1 into 4 is 4, 1 into 4 is 4. Next 5, 6 5s are 30, 1 into 0 is 0. This is 2 minus 20 plus 3, minus 42 minus 4 is something but minus 46, 5 into 30. This will become minus 40. Plus into minus minus, 6 3s are 18, carry over 1, 3 4 12, 12 plus 1 13, 5 3s are 150. So minus 138 minus 40 gives 8 7 178, minus 178 plus 150 which gives 8 2 minus 28, which is equal to minus 28, which is not equal to 0. Therefore determinant of A is not equal to 0. Therefore A is non-singular matrix because they given the matrix format only. Next third subdivision. So this one I need to find determinant of A equal to 0 or not 0. C will see. If we going to see diagonal here 0 0 0 0 0, A minus B, here B minus A, here K, here minus K, here 5 minus 5. This is a skew symmetric matrix. Without expanding we can say. Therefore A is a skew symmetric. Since A is a skew symmetric matrix, determinant of A is equal to 0. You can straighten write the answer. Determinant of A is equal to 0. Therefore A is a singular matrix. You can finish very easily the sum. Otherwise you can expand and do the sum. Otherwise you can write like this, no problem. This sum is very easy when compared to all the sums. So fourth sum, they given A matrix 7 3 minus 2 and A. They given A is singular matrix. If A is singular matrix, that we can do determinant of A is equal to 0 to find value of A. So determinant of A is equal to determinant of 7, 3, minus 2 and A. Therefore, determinant of A is equal to 0. So we can write, put minus 7 into A is 7A, minus 2 into 3 is minus 6, which becomes plus 6. 6 comes this becomes minus 6 is equal to 7A, A is equal to minus 6 by 7. So this is the required answer for this sum. Next we will prove this is the first subdivision sum. Next I need to write for second subdivision. The second subdivision they given B matrix. B matrix nothing but B minus 1, 3 and 1, 3 and 1, 2, 1 minus 2, 2, 1 minus 2, 3 to 4, 3 to 4. They are given B is singular matrix, B is singular. That is determinant of B is equal to 0 to find A and B. To find A and B, because no A and B, there is only B. To find B alone. In previous matrix I need to find A, in this matrix I need to find B. So we can't able to do the sum, because if we can't able to reduce the sum using reduction method, better we can expand this sum. Are we going to expand? So first to find a determinant of B. So I will write here. Determinant of B is equal to determinant of B minus 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1 minus 2, 2, 4. Since determinant of B is 0, I can put 0. This is plus, minus and plus. B minus 1, open the bracket, minus. Minus 2, open the bracket, minus. Plus 3, open the bracket, minus. 1 into 4 is 4. Minus 2 into 4 is minus 4, which becomes plus 4. 2. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 1 into 2 is 2. Next 3. 3 into minus 2 is minus 6. 1 into 1 is 1. So becomes 0 is equal to B minus 1. 4 plus 4 is 8. Minus 2. 12 minus 2 is 10. Plus 3. Minus 6 minus 1 is nothing but minus 7. So we have got some answers, I think so. We will now proceed this sum. 0 is equal to 8 into B is 8B minus 8 minus 20 minus 21. So I need to make this one arrangement. 0 is equal to 8B minus 21 minus 20 is minus 41. Minus 41 minus 8 is nothing but minus 49. Minus 1 becomes plus 49 is equal to 8B. Plus 49 is equal to 8B. Therefore, B is equal to 49 by 8. So, this is a required answer for this sum. Thank you.